In this video, you will see how to use HVAC Education Hub learning platform. First, you need to enter your email and click continue. After you click that, you need to enter single-use code you received in your email inbox. If you don't receive the link, check your spam folder. Click submit, and then you are inside of the platform. Inside, you will see journeys. One journey, what you will see is heat pump introduction and technology. You need to click here. And on the main screen, you have short overview of the course itself. On the right corner, you have new activity. Click on new activity and start now. Now you can see full course overview with different modules inside. There are 3 modules: fundamentals of heat pumps, refrigerant cycle and components, and efficiency and regulation. It is recommended to go from first module and from lecture to lecture. You can choose to watch different modules, but let's start from module 1, fundamentals of heat pumps. Inside, you will see microlearnings. So each microlearning has their own. Welcome to heat pump introduction and technology. If you start this one, you have text, and you always have to continue to see what is going on. After you watch the video, you can click continue, and then you have some quizzes and exercises. It is important, if you have assessment like this one, when you need to drag and drop, you need to click on this icon and drop it to some of the boxes and submit. For example, this one is non-evaluated, so it will not be included into the certificates or total score. When you go on continue, then you have additional questions you need to submit. So for example, this whole first section is only feedback and a course introduction. After you finish one microlearning, you will see what is the score of your microlearning. And if you hover the arrow, you will see here is score 100% because we didn't have anything regarding the real assessment, so correct or wrong answer. When you are done, you need to click close, and now you can see here that microlearning 1 is finished. You can check the results here by clicking view results, and you can see what you submitted here. On the main pages, you can go back to activities, and you will see where are you on your learning pathway. Here you can see you are in progress, only 5% is done, when is created, and if you click inside, you have a complete overview. So for example, here you have insights, 5% completed, 100% correct, this is average score. And if you click on view all, here you will see for each module inside the journey how much you have in percentage and what section still needs to be done. To pass the course or to receive the certificate, you need to have at least 90% of the score. Going back to activities, let's now check some different assessments, so you know how to answer. For example, power and energy. You have here video. After you watch the video, you have some assessments. So here in this example, you cannot see earlier steps because you need to answer what you watched. And for example, you have here power triangle. You need to answer the question by drag and drop. and you will see what is correct and what is wrong. If you have something wrong, you need to click on solution to see what is the correct answer. After each assessment, you have some additional things and some additional explanations. And you will see at the end, because we didn't answer everything correct, what is our percentage. Here we can see that score is 40%. This is more or less everything what you need to understand regarding the journey. So it's intuitive. This video is just short overview how to navigate through the course. If you need anything else, you can always email to us at info@hvceduhub.com.